So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix UVerse box won't reset, power cycle, button reset and firmware fix. So how to fix UVerse box won't reset. Power cycle the UVerse box by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds, then reconnecting and allowing it to restart fully. If needed, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds to force a reboot. If the box still won't reset, leave it powered on to complete any firmware update and ensure all cables and power connections are secure. Fix 1 is power cycle. A power cycle clear temporary system error and startup glitches. Turn off the UVerse TV receiver. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 2 is reset using the receiver button. Locate the small reset button on the back of the UVerse receiver. Use your finger on a paper clip to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the light blink or the device restart. Release the button and wait patiently while the receiver reloads system files, as interrupting the process may cause additional issue. This forces the box to restart its internal software when a normal reboot does not work. So the fix third is firmware software fix. Sometimes the box may be stuck during a software update, a firmware error. Leave the receiver power on for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure internet service connection is stable. The box may automatically reinstall or complete update. Avoid unplugging or pressing any button while the update is in process, as this can interrupt the installation and create further problems. This step helps fix reset issues caused by incomplete or failed software update. So fix 4 is check cable connection and power source. Make sure all cables connected to the box and firmly plugged in, including the power cable, HDMI cable and network connection. Disconnect and reconnect each cable one at a time to confirm they are secure. If possible, plug the power cord directly into a wall outlet instead of using a surge protector or extension board. Loose cable or unstable power can prevent the receiver from resetting properly. Fix fifth is prevent overheating issues. Place the box in a well ventilated area and ensure that air vents are not blocked by object or dust. Overheating can cause the device to freeze and ignore rest reset command. Turn the receiver off for a few minutes to cool down. Then power it back on and try resetting again. Proper airflow helps maintain stable performance during startup and reset. So fix sixth is contact support if reset still fails. If the box still won't reset after retrying all the steps, contact your service provider for further troubleshooting. Support agents can run remote diagnostic, send a reset signal or arrange a replacement if the hardware is faulty. This step is necessary when the issue is caused by internal hardware failure or service related program. Customer support phone. This number live chat available on the UVerse support page. Thank you.